Hi dear friend, welcome back to my another video. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how you can see your Gmail account password without reset or change this password. So before that, please do subscribe our channel to get more this types of important video. So let's start the video. First of all, let me show you. If I open my Gmail, and here I need to click on Google account. You might be find here manage account option, so click on it. From here, if I go to personal info and scroll down, as you can see, here is the password option. If I here click on it, as you can see, I have to type here my password. There is no way to see password. So let me show you where you can find your Google account current password. Okay, so just get back and scrolling up, and here swipe to the right side and click on security option. Now scroll down, and here below you will find the option that is password manager. So click on it. Now search here Google, and then you can see here google.com. Click on it and put your fingerprint or phone password. After that, you will see your Google account username and password. If you here click on I button, then you can see your password. So friend, like this way you can easily find your Google account password. I hope this video is helpful for you. So please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also hit the like button of this video. Thanks for watching this video.